In front of me is ULEFONE Note 18 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by launching Settings and clicking on Connected Devices. Now choose Connection Preferences, Bluetooth, and use the switcher next to Use Bluetooth to activate it. Then hit Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show. When they do, click on the one you wish to connect to and wait. Now hit Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!